I'm Trooper Tyler Tidwell with the South Carolina Highway Patrol. As a father myself, I know how important it is to install my daughter's car seat properly, so I hope you find this step-by-step video helpful. First, find the best place in the car to install the seat. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for recommendations on safest seat location. There are two ways to secure the car seat in the vehicle, either with the vehicle seatbelt or the latch system. For the latch system, there is a weight limit, so make sure to consult with the weight restrictions of your particular child seat. When using the seat belt, feed the belt through the bottom or back side of the car seat, ensuring there are no twists, and insert the belt into the buckle on the other side. Next, pull the seat belt all the way out and hold the car seat in place as you feed the seat belt back into the retractor. When using the latch system, locate the lower connectors, which can be found on each side of the car seat base. You'll take these connectors and hook them into the lower anchors, which you will find located within your vehicle seat. Next, take the adjuster strap and pull it nice and snug. Last, perform the inch test. If properly installed, the car seat should not move more than an inch in any direction. Both the seat belt and the latch system are proven to be equally safe methods, but remember, you should never use both. Make sure your child travels safely each and every time and each and every ride. Find out where you can get your car seat checked by a certified technician on the SCDPS website at the URL listed below.